This is how to identify yellow birch, or Betula alleghaniensis by winter twig. First, we'll look at dwarf shoots. Dwarf shoots are these little structures that make the twig leading up to this bud look like a little caterpillar. Dwarf shoots are something that you will always find on birches, especially yellow and white birch, which are two that you're probably going to get mixed up if you're just looking at twigs. Examining twig color, we'll find that the older growth takes on a silvery brown kind of tone with these horizontal lines going through it. Looking at slightly more recent growth, we'll find that it takes on a rich brown. And looking at this year's most recent growth, we'll find that the twig takes on a light brown color and has a bit of pubescence, which is little hairs. Something to note about the buds themselves is that they're really quite sharp, often sharper than white birch, although that is a bit subjective. Another thing to look at is the hair that you'll find on the bud scales. You can kind of see that there's some white hairs, very small white hairs, that line the imbricate buds. That's something that is indicative of yellow birch. Also, the arrangement is alternate. Fun fact, if you scrape the twigs of yellow birch in the right season, I think it's winter, then they might impart a wintergreen smell, or it's kind of like a minty smell. It's really quite nice. In a more controlled environment, we can see the sharp buds, catkins which might be present, dwarf shoots, and the difference in color between the yearly growth of the twigs. Thank you.